Hello guys, today's tutorial is based on how to make an app that when you want to call someone, you just type in the number, then you click on the call button, then it will start to call. So let's start. You create your new project. Let's name it as caller. Caller is okay. Let's add a little icon. From here, we add our linear, that vertical linear that we always used to do. We set y to what? Match parent. Pardon. Let's say 0. Yeah, 0 is okay. Then we set gravity to center, vertical and horizontal vertical. From there we add our edit text where we will input the phone number. Then make small changes to it. Let's set hint to be input phone number. That's it. Input type is supposed to be only phone. Many options. Done. And let's set it y to be what? Match parent. Gravity center. Hint color. Okay. Black. Background color. White. Background color. White. Then we set the size to 18. Is that okay? Then from there we add button. Set a text to call. Text size 20. Text style good. Background color to be blue. Then text color yellow. We want a small space up, so margin top. Let's then. Okay. Now we can proceed, but let me set by 200. We are now off to the main activity that will go on when we click on the button. So events on click. We click on the control tab, then we pick up the if then block, if then or else. Then we go to where component. We add one component, that intent component. we name it as call. Then you choose intent, call, set action, call. Then you add set data and start activity. So intent, call. Then you go to operator tab. You choose join. Go to view. Test view. Pick 2. Back to operator. You choose that equal to. So if not that, if not edit test, if not edit test, get test equal to nothing. You get what this thing means. It says if not edit test 1 get test, meaning that if edit test get test, then it should what? Intent should what? Set action. Action is to what? Call. Then you call to that. You call to and you add tell h2. Okay, then you should call the number that you have input in the what? Edit test. Correct. Else go to component. Else if the whole of this thing doesn't work, you should do what? Kindly type a phone number. That's all. It's very simple to make this thing. All what you need is this. When the button is clicked, it says if not. If not means the editor is not empty. There's nothing. It's not empty, meaning that it is filled with a number. Then it should do what? It should what? Perform these actions. Else it should kindly type a phone number. It should prompt you that you should type a phone number. So let's run and see how it works. You can sit back and relax because it's now what? Running. I think it's done. Here. Come on. Let's install Koala. Okay, let's try to open the app. It says what? Allow caller to make and manage what? Phone calls. Then you click on allow. And it says input phone number. But before, let's click the button without any what? Number. You see what it prompts? Kindly type a phone number. But when you immediately type anything, let's say my number, 0246185709. 0246185709, and let's try to call. I just click on the call button. You see, it is calling. It's very simple. That's all. It's just a simple thing. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you, but don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.